what you've got here. This plant almost died on me because this thing used to be this dripper, and it only does very little, like 2 gallons per hour, and the plant needed more. Since then I replaced it, but you can see everything died. I thought it was dead, and then it started growing those small leaves, and they will grow and be all healthy again. So let's trim all the dead ones. Now that we're done, you'll see some of the benefits. The plant will get more sun, and it will be prettier, and it will have physical room to just grow and take over the space all the dead branches took before. Now the last step is to test that it gets enough water. Putting this back. You can adjust it. This looks pretty good. Hope you enjoyed.